So we got to Pueblo. About to go get teched. That pump is so loud, dude. That pump?
On the outside?
Yeah. What did they say? All good?
Yeah, I'm surprised, dude. He definitely was not happy about like my battery. And all
Oh, he saw your battery?
Oh, dude, yeah, he checked everything.
Oh, man.
Compared to
Yeah.
everybody else. So what happened was I forgot I had the shocks on like 3 maybe or 5 for when I was driving down the street, and so now I clicked them up to 8. I had them way too soft before, so I'm gonna click them up to 8 and then also up the boost just a little bit just to see what it does. So we'll see. I don't know, it's fun, it's cool, there's like no one in line. So you just go up there and you're ready.
I bought my car.
Yeah, you should have. It would have been fun.
Yeah. Thinks something's wrong with your car when you hit the brake.
Alright, so I've made a couple passes now. Just been trying to play with the car. I gave it like too much boost, more out of the hole, and it spun, and then now I lowered the launch control back down, so it makes about 5.5 pounds of boost off the launch. Then I turned the ramp down just a little bit also. And then, but what I did do is I gave it 100 more RPM. So instead of launching it at 6,700 or 3,700, I'm gonna launch it at 3,800 and see what it does. So yeah, I'm gonna go make a pass. See if I can get my burnout better too. My burnouts are pretty weak. But it's funny too, I guess like the track people think my car blows up every pass because of all the smoke out of it. And I'm pretty sure it's just those turbos because they're eBay, and like after you let off, it's just probably got a whole bunch of oil, extra oil, so.
Yeah, you know, that's what you get with those guys.
EBay turbos.
Right there, man.
Yeah.
They are so concerned with you. They're like, the smoke, and also like, what was that time? What was the time he ran right there?
Dude, it did go too fast. It went
Did it really?
10-8. Dude, it went 10.8 at 80 mile an hour.
Yeah,
I just did a 1.46 60 foot and a 6.1 and 8. That's the fastest I've gone.
Yeah, dude, that was fast, and they were able to tell.
I know. Oh damn. Dude, it feels so good. It felt pretty good there, didn't it? Dude, it looks like it spins after it gets out there.
I don't know though. It takes off harder though. You can tell right away.
It liked that RPM. It liked that 100 RPM.
You know what I think it was is before you launched, I called it the angry doorstop.
Oh, dude,
so I am pretty sure.
No.
Dude, does this not look like a doorstop to you?
No.
Look at this.
No.
It's even the color of a doorstop.
No. Dude, that's so close to running 5s in the 8th, dude.
Dude, that's crazy, man.
I don't know if, dude, I was on the brakes pretty hard. And dude, it smokes so bad on D-cell. Those turbos
dude, it's bad. It's bad, dude.
Those turbos are
like,
bad.
As soon as
Let's show you guys the slip. 146 60 foot. That's pretty good, I feel like.
Dude, you might get into the 5s, 8th if they let you.
Dude, if I turn it up just a little bit, I think it'll do it.
Yeah, dude, that's sick.
I think it'll do it.
So basically I need a V8 S2000?
Yeah. Alright, so I just tuned up just a little bit. I gave it 50 more RPM, so not much. And I turned up the initial boost progression, just like 0.5%, maybe? Yeah, about 0.5%. So we'll see if we can get it to like a low 1.460. We'll see. But right now I'm happy with the car. I just did a 6.1 in the 8th. So it already did better than what I thought it would do. So I'm pretty happy. I'm excited for it. It's still on a 28/9 tire too, so maybe I won't be able to do like much faster on a 28/9 tire. So yeah, we'll go see what it does. It's gonna rain.
Backed up, turned everything off.
It's gonna rain.
Hold on there.
It's gonna rain.
What do you want?
I want to do streetcar shit.
Yes.
I want to do street stuff. Yeah, look at the storm coming.
So weird, it's dissipating right over us though.
Yeah.
Like, cause that was all right over there.
Yeah, it's really weird what it's doing. But hopefully, maybe it won't rain. Maybe we can get some more passes.
Hopefully.
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I ain't no weatherman.
Sure.
Yeah.
If you were to guess right now, what percentage of rain do we have?
100%.
100%.
Yeah.
Let's see if you're hired.
It's just a little bit, no prep blowing in. You don't need to worry about that.
Yeah. Oh, that was sick. Yeah. What's up?
Alright, so I forgot to film something leaving Pueblo, but Pueblo basically called it for the night. So we're out here in Mexico. Gonna see if we can do some hood rat shit. What a long night. It was a really long drive back up to where we're at. Ended up having to take about an hour nap in the truck to make it back because I was so tired. But I am back, gonna unload the RX-7. There's a couple things I wanted to address in this video. So as you guys saw, the turbos do smoke quite a bit on D-cell. They do still make boosts and everything. One thing I am wondering is maybe the air filters are causing restriction, causing them to smoke maybe on D-cell. I'm not too sure. I'm going to take the filters off and see what it does without the filters. I really do need to just get some turbo guards for them. And that does lead me to my next point, right? So I did run a 6.1 in the 8th and I did a 1.44 60 foot. And that is pretty good. I'm really happy with that. That's my best 8th mile time. And I think it would have done a better 8th mile if I would have got to make another hit, because I was turning it up and ramping in the boost. I was turning it up and ramping in the boost more, and I think it would have taken it and it would have made a better hit. But I wasn't able to do that because they ended up closing the track down early. I kind of wanted to try and see if I could run 5s in the 8th with these eBay turbos, with these 57 millimeters. Everyone said that they were going to be too small, weren't going to work, all this stuff. I want to see if I can run 5s in the 8th. Now, that leads me to my next thing. should I leave them on here and just deal with all the smoke and stuff, or should I put the S480 on it that I have with the billet wheel, the VS Racing S480 that I have, or should I get some turbos, some GT35s that Kyle runs that basically would bolt right on the manifolds that I have, use the same exhaust and everything. It's a 4-bolt 3-inch flange, just like what I have. Basically a drop-in turbo, so I have to weld the wastegates to the exhaust housing. Let me know what you guys think down below. Goal is to try and run 5s with this thing. It's gonna do it at some point. Gonna figure it out. Made some test hits on the street. Car seemed really good. If anybody doesn't know, the main reason why I built this car is to be a small tire, no prep car. So yeah, I'm really excited. It feels really good. Should be all ready to go for Street Car Takeover. Gonna be really fun next week. If y'all are in Colorado, come check it out. Gonna be a sick ass event. Twin Peaks on Friday. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you all are excited for what's to come. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. And until next time, guys, see ya.